Hello everyone. Welcome to AE Graphics. Let's preview what we are going to create today. Let's get started. Open After Effects, create a new comp, rename it to Simple Text Animation. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution. 25 frames per second. Duration 10 seconds. Background color is black, and click OK. Now, select the text tool. I am using Era's Bold ITC font. Let's type our first text, Cinematic. Align it to the center and the anchor points too. Then, create our second text. Title Animation. Align it to the center and the anchor points too. Make it small like shown. Keep the second text with the first one. To make them in perfect center, click the Grid and Guide toolbar and select Title Action Safe. Now align those text to the center using arrow keys in the keyboard. Let's pre-compose the text. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C in Windows or Command plus Shift plus C in Mac. Then rename it to text and press OK. Here we come to the main animation. Create a black solid layer. And press OK. Go to Toolbar and select the Ellipse tool and double-click. It will create a circle around the comp. Now, open the mask one and select the inverted box. Change the mask feather value to 500 pixels. Then select the mask one. And go to 1 second. And create a keyframe on mask path. Get back to the first frame and press Ctrl plus T to select the mask and drag like shown. Drag it equally by holding Ctrl plus Alt. And move the mask to the corner. Let's RAM preview. Now I am moving the second keyframe to 2 seconds to make the animation smooth. Select both the keyframes. And press F9 in keyboard to easy ease. Let's RAM preview. This looked good to me. Now it's time to add some motion to our animation. So, right-click, New and select Null Object. Align it to the center. Now go to the first frame. And press S in your keyboard to open the scale properties. Set a keyframe on the scale. And go to the last frame and change the scale value to 110. Now our basic animation is ready. Let's import our background files. Right-click on Project window. Import in File. You can download the files from the link in description. Now select the wall background file. And drag it into the comp and place it above the text layer. Now select the text layer. Change its track matte to Luma Matte. This is how it looks like. Now select the text and image layer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to pre-compose. Rename it to Text and Texture. And press OK. Now select the Smoke 1 file in the project window. Drag it into the comp and place it below all layers. Now select the text and texture layer. And parent it to Null 1. This is how it looks like. Now let's add film bar to our comp. Create a new solid using Ctrl plus Y. Rename it to film bar. Make sure the background color is black. Then press OK. Select the film bar layer. Go to the toolbar section and select Rectangle tool and double-click. A new mask will be created on our film bar solid layer. Now select the inverted box. Select the mask by using Ctrl plus T. Hold Ctrl plus Alt and drag the mask as shown. Film bar was created. Now let's create a background for our animation. Create a new solid. Rename it to background. And press OK. Now go to Effects and Presets tab. And search for ramp or gradient ramp. Select the preset and apply it to our background layer. This will create a ramp effect to our background. Let's adjust few settings. Change the ramp shape to radial ramp. Make sure ramp is selected. Drag the top point to the center. I am changing the start color to dark gray. You are free to choose your own color. Then select the end color and make it black. And press OK. Now select the point in the bottom. And move little bit far away from our comp. By this we will get a soft gray background. This looks good to me. Select our background layer. And place it below all the layers. Now select the smoke 1 layer. And change its blending mode. From normal to screen. Let's RAM preview this. That's all, our simple cinematic title animation is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Meet you in the next video.